I am not accepting of the phrase false self for ego. The purpose and intent of not accepting false self in any level of consciousness is because nothing of ourself is false. Things are taken on and things are digested in our being. That does not make any part of our being false. When we start to feel like there is a part of us that is false, that creates a division and a separation of ourself. So nothing of my being is false. It may not always be pretty, may not always be right, but it is not false. So, in dealing with other people's emotions, energies, or beliefs, we need to come to the understanding that that is how they are at this time. There's nothing false about what they're gifting, okay? Ego is energy going on. Emotion is energy in motion. So much of ego comes from emotion. And that is emotion of either you are insecure or you're out of secure, which means that you have it. If anything breaks your belief system at this moment, you'll crack, and so you stand in it and give it, and that is the other part of ego. But there's nothing false about that. Everyone has the right, the ability, and the responsibility to feel, think, hear, see, and act. That is not false. So we love, honor, and respect that is where they are. However, we do not have to take it on, because that is our right, responsibility, and action. So I say, you want to plant your broccoli upside down? That's interesting. Doesn't fit for me, but that's interesting. Let me know how it works out for you. I'm not putting them down. I'm not creating any friction, because the ego thrives on friction. They want that battle. They want to be justified. They want to know that they're okay. So let them know they're okay in a kind, loving way, as opposed to getting involved in the battle.